Shebang is an Artix new Linux based distribution that offers a harmonious blend of user-friendliness and advanced customization, catering to both casual users and power enthusiasts. At its core, Shebang utilizes the nimble Openbox window manager, renowned for its lightweight performance and high configurability. This combination ensures that users experience a modern, full-featured new Linux system without compromising on speed or efficiency. Now let's talk about the Open Window Manager. Openbox stands out as a highly configurable window manager, allowing users to modify nearly every aspect of their desktop interaction. Whether you prefer a minimalist setup or a feature-rich environment, Openbox provides the flexibility to tailor your desktop experience to your liking. Its design philosophy emphasizes control without overwhelming the user, making it suitable for a wide range of preferences. Now let's talk about the performance and efficiency. In line with its commitment to efficiency, Shebang opts out of using a traditional login manager, viewing it as an unnecessary bloat. Instead, it employs straightforward methods to initiate user sessions, contributing to its swift startup times and overall responsiveness. This minimalist approach ensures that system resources are allocated primarily to essential functions, enhancing performance. Now let's talk about the pre-installed applications. Shebang comes equipped with the selection of popular applications to meet everyday needs. Web browsing. Iceweasel, a rebranded version of Firefox, provides a secure and customizable browsing experience. Media playback. The system supports most popular media formats, including MP3 and DVD playback, ensuring seamless media consumption. Video player. MPV is included for efficient and versatile media playback. File transfer. Transmission, BitTorrent client, and FileZilla are pre-installed for straightforward file downloading and uploading. Now let's talk about the security and package management. Shebang is built primarily from packages available in the Artix repositories, ensuring a secure and stable foundation. For package management, it utilizes both Pacman and Flatpak, offering a broad range of software options. Users familiar with the Artix Linux will find the transition to Shebang seamless, as the underlying principles and tools remain consistent. Now, customization and hackability. One of the Shebang's standout feature is its emphasis on hackability. The distribution includes applications chosen specifically for their customizable attributes, allowing users to tailor their system extensively. For instance, users can set up automatic VPN connections with a simple click on the polybar, enhancing both convenience and security. Now finally, the conclusion. Shebang offers a compelling options for those seeking a balance between simplicity and advanced customization in a new Linux distribution. Its use of the Openbox window manager, combined with the focus on performance and user control, makes it a noteworthy choice for both new and experienced Linux users. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.